Let's create a team inside Microsoft Teams. So first, we go to the Teams app, and in there at the top, we hit the plus to create a new team. So in this, we're going to create a team. We give the team a name, and you can give it a description. The name is required for the asterisk. The description is not required, but it does help if you want to make it public and allow people to join. So the team type is private. So private means that I control who has access to this team. I can change the team to public, which means it is displayed so that other people can join it. I want to keep it private and control who can access it. Now I can name the first channel. Generally, it is called general, but Microsoft has allowed the changing of this so that you can manage what that first channel is called. I'm going to continue with the general channel, and that's required because that's what starts your team. A channel is inside of the team, and we hit create. So it is creating the team, and once the team is created, we can add members to the team. So we can start adding people into there, and we can try to find people that we like and we want to put in there. When you add them to the team, you have the ability to add them as a member, which means they can access the team, or an owner. The main difference is the owners can add other people and manage the site, whereas members access the site. So we're going to stay with member and add. So now I've added users, and we can see that test team with the general channel is available. And inside the general channel, we see that we have posts, files, and notes, and the ability to add other tabs. Now we can manage this by clicking on the three dots next to the team. And inside here, we can manage the team, add more members, add more channels, get a link to the team, leave the team, and manage tags within it. And when you're done with the team, if it's one you spin up, use, and get rid of, you can delete the team. Let's manage the team. So inside here, you're going to see members and owners. So you see one owner, I created it, so that's me. And we see one member, that's who I added. I can add more members from this location. If people request to be added to this, they would show up here. Now you see a list of channels that we have and how they display to people. Does it show for me? Does it show for members? Description of it, the type, and last activity in there. Shared channels from other teams, if you have any in there. Deleted channels, archive channels when you're done with them. And you can add other channels right here. We can manage our settings, such as the details of the team, what it's named, a picture, the icon that we have that displays over here for our team to see. We can change that as well. We have member permissions, where we can determine whether we want other members to create and update channels, private channels, delete and restore channels. By checking and unchecking, you allow the permissions for members to be able to do that. Guest permissions also have permissions in here where you can allow guests to create and update channels or allow them to delete channels. You see, these are not checked by default, and there's much fewer ability for guests for permission. We can see who can @mention people. Do we show the members? Give them members the option or show them that. A team code, if we want to share access to the team, we can generate a code that can be used so that it will be relatively public, but still private. Only the people with the code can access it, but people can see it and request. We have fun stuff. Again, do you have GIFs, stickers, memes that you want to have included on here? This is where you can control that, as well as the appropriateness of the content. We can make sure it's strict or allow all. It defaults at moderate. And tags. So do we allow tags in shifts? That's an ability there. As an owner, I also see analytics. So inside here, I can see the analytics of the team, how often it's been used, the active members, how engaged people are in it, along with all channels over the last 7 days. I can see apps that I can add to this team, as well as the tags. Once you get it the way you're done, you can click back over to your channel. And again, you have posts where you can start a post and communicate just like chat. Files would be files that are shared amongst the team. And notes at this point would be OneNote notes that are shared between people in this team. All right, so that is how you can stand up a Microsoft team to be used inside your organization.